Why do we have to prove ourselves that we're South African when we know that we're South African enough? All of a sudden, we're not South African. Ngoba siyamashangana to the Zulu people. This is my child. Okay? And I want to know, I want to ask him again. This is the question, my last question. Has this tribalism been happening before March and after March and March, or just before? Because we already knew good Sinasama Kwere before March and March. We already knew that. Yes, the truth, because we don't look South African enough. We don't speak Zulu Sama Kwere. Okay? When you don't speak Zulu, when you don't know words in Zulu, when you speak to a Zulu person, kuluma Zulu angiguze. Do you know how it hurts when we're trying to be together? Then you say we must fight for each other. Mara to Zulu people, we are not enough as long as ngakhuluma isiZulu. Yes, do you know how it hurts? We are not enough. Ngoba siyamapedi, siyamatsonga, siyamavenda. We're just not enough. Ngoba again, asikwazi ukushiya ngazi idolo or whatever that is. When you pass the taxi rank and you say hello,
they are done with foreigners.
Yeah, when you say hello, bazothi sorry, angikhulume ilento le, like khuluma isiZulu. We must speak Zulu. No, we must speak Zulu when they can't speak our language.
Because you're angry at Amazulu, you're choosing to walk away from South Africa.
No, why are you switching the narrative? Stop switching the narrative.
I don't know, man. Into
yokuqala engiyi-observayo la ukuthi la kulo live wakho njengamanje mfowethu uZero udila ne-wrong audience in this topic ekukhulunywa ngayo. I think labo osis bam laba boyi-2 ngiyabahlonipha kakhulu, but I think bayi-wrong audience kule topic. They are too much far from being relevant to this context esizama ukuyilwela la eSouth Africa. I think they themselves, they have a foreign minds. They don't have a South African minds. Yabona, when they speak a foreign language. I don't understand ukuthi osisi